Hi, I'm Earius. You may need to replace your auger drive if your auger is not rotating or not dispensing ice. If you don't already own this part, you can buy an OEM replacement part on our website. Alright, you're going to have to open your fridge to get your ice bucket and auger assembly out. Slides out just like a shelf. To replace your drive, all you need to do is grasp it, spin it to the right very quickly or clockwise. Take it out. Take your new auger drive, which you can order on our website. Place it on, spin it counterclockwise. Now just give it extra spin to make sure the motor's running. And there you go, that's how you replace your auger drive. Take your ice bucket and auger assembly, slide it into the brackets, slide it back. There you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.